This is GearsBot Football, a free-to-play, browser-based robot programming game. GearsBot Football is a simplified version of football or soccer designed to be played by autonomous robots built and programmed in the Gears platform. The game is played by two teams with two robots on each team. An invisible wall partitions the playing field into two protected zones. The ball can pass through the invisible wall, but the robots cannot. Separating the teams avoids opposing robots getting stuck on each other while fighting for the ball. A shot clock is used to keep the game moving. Once the ball enters a team's protected zone, there's a time limit to kick the ball out of the protected zone. If a team fails to clear the ball is placed in a favorable position, centered and close to midfield in the opposing team's zone. GPS and compass sensors allow the robot to know its position and heading on the field. Object tracker sensors give the position and velocity of the ball, as well as the other robots on the field. Finally, robots on the same team can communicate with each other using radios. The ball is magnetic, and each robot is equipped with two electromagnet actuators, one in the front and one in the back. Robots possess the ball by setting the electromagnet to attract, and kick the ball by setting the electromagnet to repel. That's enough intro, let's watch a match. I will now show you how to get started. Start by loading the sample football robot. You can find it under Robot Select Robot Football. Next, load the playing field with World Select World Football Arena. There is a link to the Python starter code in the description of the video. Load it into the Python editor. Change the world settings to have the ball start at the coordinates x equals -30, y equals 70, with a minimum speed of 20 centimeters per second and a speed range of 0 centimeters per second. The sample code will drive the robot towards the ball's current position, grab the ball, turn towards the goal, and kick the ball. A good first extension to the sample code is to implement bank shots that can provide a competitive advantage by allowing you to kick the ball around defenders. On the other hand, the double bank shot provides no competitive advantage, but I think it's cool, so I included it in the video anyways. Another highly recommended extension is Gretzky ball chasing. Gretzky ball chasing gets its name from the following Wayne Gretzky quote: "I skate to where the puck is going to be, not where it has been." The sample code chases after the ball's current position, causing it to often whiff on moving balls. Gretzky ball chasing predicts the path of the ball and computes an intercept point. Like the double bank shot, Gretzky ball chasing makes a cool party trick. To play a multiplayer game, first download the robot and code with File Export Zip Package to Computer. Open the multiplayer arena using Worlds Arena and upload the zip file package for each robot. Use Options Team to get the red versus blue color scheme. Thanks for watching. There are links to GearsBot and the sample code in the description.